Anong gagawin mo kung mawala lahat sa'yo?
Okay ka lang?
Huwag ka na magalit.
People always say, live your life to the fullest, as if it will last.
Hi. Do you think na we'll still be friends in the future?
Oo naman. Why would you say that?
Ang bilis kasi ng panahon eh. Pwedeng bukas, hindi na tayo magkakasama, di ba?
Pero you know what? We should make a promise to each other.
Di ba? Ang perfect nun.
For every change in every chapter, we should make a promise to stay by each other's side. Promise?
Promise! Promise! 1, 2, 3!
But life has its way of reminding us that happiness doesn't always last. And in the blink of an eye, everything can change.
Hope! Gio! Gising na siya, Gio!
Anak?
Tulong! Patawad ako!
Anak, calm down!
He experienced a very bad car crash. Malaki ang naging epekto nito sa kanya. It's common for patients to suffer from an amnesia after an accident. Huwag na natin dagdagan ang kanyang trauma by confusing her.
How are you doing now, Hope? After the accident, I honestly miss my friends.
Guys, na-miss ko kayo!
Pero ang mahalaga, kasama ko pa rin sila.
Ayos ka!
Just like what we promised to each other.
Di ka ba nakaawa sa anak mo?
But she's still in shock, Gio! Ano bang gagawin natin? Ayaw mo bang nakikita masaya yung anak mo?
Fake happiness is not real happiness. Is that what you want? Yung niloko yung anak mo?
Guys, tara na!
Talaga lang, Hope? Ha? Yan! Yan ang problema sa'yo! You act like sa'yo lang umiikot mundo namin! Hindi ba sa atin naman talaga itong mundong to? Hanggat kasama tayo atin to! Ano ba, Hope? Hindi mo ba nararamdaman na kinokontrol mo na kami? Ha? Di ba ginusto niyo rin naman to? Ni hindi nga namin alam kung tanggap mo ba talaga o hindi mo tanggap. I made a promise! Pwede ba? Makinig ka muna sa akin! Hindi namin alam kung tanggap mo ba talaga o hindi mo tanggap dahil kailangan mo pa kami.
Kahit isang araw lang, kahit isang minuto pa.
No! Hindi yan totoo! Sinungaling ka! Hindi!
Salamat.
your head. Baby, don't be scared of the things that could